These are 1.5 thick. See if I got some more over here in the drawer. Yep, a bunch more right here. That'll give me what I need. Okay, so there's 3. There's 4.5. So we put that under there. I might do a little bit on that side too. We'll see. I'll try to get that indicator to be close to 0 on the center of the case there. Down, still high. Take a little more than that. Yep, there's what you need, not much right there. One of these 10 thou. Much better. Oh yeah, that made a big difference. That was night and day change there. Still not touching on that. Heavy. Put a 10 thou shim under there. That's not hitting. That's barely hitting. That's heavy. So now, got a light on right now. Turn it on, I can see the indicator better. So we're 1/2 thou under, 1 thou under, 1.5 under, and probably 0 over there if I could see it, close to it. So we're right here, needs to go up, which is right where the center is at. So we're going to put some more dimension here. I'm going to put 1 or 2 more shims in there. There's 1.5 to get what we need. Seems the more I put in there, the closer it gets. So stick one of these in there. Two. It's better. Half. Okay, that's 1 up. Half up. Almost half down. And probably half down. So this whole thing needs to go up a little bit over here. Put this shim right under here. That was a big change. Whoa, that's huge. That's only 1.5 thou. It went up a lot more than that. There's some kind of a chip or something over there. It dropped a lot. When I moved it, it dropped down. Something was underneath the piece of dirt or something. Okay, there we go. And we're about just under 0 right there. About 0, about 0. A little bit heavy over here, about 1 up. And about half up. A little bit heavy right here. Kind of comes and goes there. It's pretty close. So you can see we're about 1/2 thou down. Probably about the same on that side, like hard to see. Right here where that shim was at 0, came up. Real heavy there, 1 up, 1.5 almost. And by here we're back down to 1/2. See, it's going back and forth. And we're back 1/2 again over here. So we're half, we're 0 right there, then we go half up, 1 up, so it's a high spot. So you go over on the other side, check the same thing, and see we're half down. It's a little bit too thick, the shim here. And a little bit thick heavier into here too. Alright, so I'm going to pull a shim here and a shim here and see what happens. That's what we had before when it was low, remember? And that dropped a bunch. Yep. It wants that shim over here. Not here though. Alright, that's close as we're going to get. So, we're about half down to 1. Probably about the same on the back side if I could see it. Right here you go half up. But it's back at 0 right there. Up to almost 1. Half, strong half. Drops and down. It's dropping to 1 as we go around this way. A little bit heavy on this side, but not too bad. 0 through there, it's all 0, 0 through here, 0, 0, 0, half, 3/4, almost 1 right there. Not even touching at all on this one. See, this one's not even touching. This one here, not really doing anything. It's not moving the indicator when I pull that out. This one's doing all the work. And it's heavy right here in the corner. So if I slide that over a little bit that way, it's going to drop this whole thing down slightly, which is going to help us. If I put a shim over here, these might actually come and do something maybe. Yeah, see, those aren't even hitting. Yeah, see, those shim goes all the way through there. No, not even touching at all. Not even doing anything. So I need to slide this over a little bit this way. I need 2 hands to do this. So it's all about fine tuning it. Okay. These aren't doing anything. Still nothing. Three shims. Oh, yep. Still nothing. 4th shim. Oh, there we go. Got contact. Only right on the tip here though. Yeah, I was on the tip. That's because of that bend edge. Yeah, we're got a big gap over here. That's not doing a damn thing. Oh yeah, I just put a 10 thou shim in there. There we go. 13 thou. Still showing some movement. got a little bit of rock in there, so. This is solid from here to here. This way here we got a little rock still. So we're at 0 there, and we are below 0 over here. Shim over here somewhere. Two shims. Three shims. 10th thou. Yep, that did it. A little bit of rocking going on. Zero. Okay. Too much. We need a 1/2 thou at least over there, but we ain't got it. Get the case back where it used to be. Up high. This here is hurting us. Alright, I did it. I just slid this over about a 1/2 inch because that's on a little bit of an angle, so you go out it gets a little bit lower. So I dropped it down to 0. So now basically get 0, 0, 1/2 under, and then we're 0 again right there. 0 to 1/2 under, pretty much bouncing back and forth between 0. The average number around all this stuff is 0. Goes up and down a little bit, but pretty close to 0. And we're pretty squared up right now. Okay, so we're pretty close right now. So basically we're hitting right here. This whole edge is about the same flatness here. High spot there, high spot here, and a high spot way back here in the corner. So from you're going from this hole to this hole, rocking back and forth. And then from this area here to the spot over here is rock in this direction. See, this is not really doing anything right now. Just kind of there for show. This has got tension on it here though, and so is that. So this one's not doing anything. If we put in the shim under there, we'd make it work. Can we do that? Oop. Oh, we're trying to use that one, aren't we? Trying to get away. Try to get that shim in that corner and watch it screw up everything. Does not want to go in there. It's got tension on it now. Okay, so get that shim into there. So I slid it up as far as I could until I hit it. It's still hitting heavy right through here with the shim. So now it's dug in right there. So that one's hitting right here. That one's hitting right there. We're hitting here. We're hitting somewhere along in here is about equal, and over here it's high spot, no shim. So this is our worst spot. So everything pivots off this corner and comes up like that to whatever it needs to be. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and put a little tension on this, make a skim cut across here, then I'm going to flip the case over, it should be good. But we're coming off this surface here as best I can do, because this side's potato chip so bad you got nothing to go by. So that's close as we're going to get. So I'm going to go ahead and put up here on top of this race here. Looks like it's been hit there. I'm going to see if it does the same thing. I'll pop up on top of the insert. Also, I'll check these other surfaces and see we're all pretty close. Now, the closer you get to the center, the least it matters. And the more of a change you get, the more it matters. You know, half a thou from here to here will be 2 or 3 when you get way out here. That's why you don't want to come off a real small area like this. But in this case, I don't have much choice. Pretty even around that, but shouldn't expect any less on a very small diameter. Try this one also. What the hell? Oop, too much. We're definitely back.